Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to connect a domain on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in top left corner, we have my site where you have all of your websites. You have the setup, home. We also have, as you can see, the settings, the design site, and in the top right corner also, and the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect your a domain on Wix. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these 3 steps to know how to do it. To connect a domain in Wix, follow these steps. Go to domains in your Wix account. After that, click add an existing domain. Then select connect a domain you already own. When you have selected a domain that you already own, choose the site you want to connect your domain to. After you have done that, enter your domain name and click let's go. After that, confirm that you own the domain. You can also connect an additional domain to your Wix site by clicking the domain actions icon next to the relevant domain and following the prompt. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.